Imagine the most epic battles and heroic tales from history and fiction coming to life right before your eyes, crafted with stunning detail and emotional depth that makes each scene pulse with the heartbeats of its characters. The Faceless YouTube channel. War Stories animated category is universally acclaimed and stands out as the most popular genre. Whether it's through war stories or web series, this genre has captured audiences worldwide. Primarily, these narratives are grounded in real events and historical truths. There's a significant fascination in viewing and learning about these stories. However, how does this interest translate to YouTube, a platform known for its diverse video content, including those that explore war stories and historical facts? Indeed, by observing some of these faceless YouTube war channels and examining their subscriber counts, one can gauge their popularity. It becomes evident how much viewers are drawn to this content. Most of our content focuses on stories and facts presented through animated cartoons. You might assume creating these animations demands considerable effort and skill. However, with the advancement of AI technology, this is no longer the case. You can produce videos featuring full animated stories and voiceovers using a powerful free AI tool. I'll provide more details on this tool later in the video. The video quality is so impressive, it will astonish you. You won't find another tool that delivers such remarkable and high-quality videos. This tool also allows you to access stock videos, offering an incredible selection. But the most remarkable feature? It's completely free. Now let's discuss the best tool available for creating animated war stories. I'll guide you through each step on how to use it, so make sure to watch the entire video for all the details. Before we continue, I want to remind you not to skip any part of this video, as you might miss important information. Enjoy the video, and let's get started. First, we'll discuss how to select the right words for your war story. If you're planning to write and create videos, it's crucial to know which words have been used previously, including the countries they're associated with. Fortunately, there are many resources available, such as Britannica, to help you with this. You'll find information on wars across various time periods, including when they occurred and the countries involved, along with comprehensive details. As you can see, resources like Britannica provide all the necessary information. Additionally, Wikipedia offers detailed insights into all wars to date. Finally, Google serves as another valuable resource for your research. Now you need to decide which war you want to focus on for your videos. For instance, let's consider the American Revolutionary War, which occurred between the US and Britain from 1775 to 1783. This was a turbulent time when the desire for independence took root in the American colonies, challenging the powerful British Empire. If you're interested in creating a video about the American Revolutionary War, you'll also need a script. For this, our reliable ally ChatGPT can assist. When you provide ChatGPT with a prompt, such as creating content about the American Revolutionary War between the US and the British Empire, it begins crafting the script, as demonstrated. Although we typically generate images to accompany our content, we won't be doing that in this instance. However, we still require prompts for the script creation process. You'll understand the importance of this in the next step. Additionally, you'll find a script template provided by ChatGPT in the description below, which you can copy and then adjust to meet your needs. If necessary, you can also request ChatGPT to provide a complete script and image prompts. The script has been generated, as you can see. Next, copy the narration portion and place it into a Word document, which we'll use for the voiceover. This makes the entire script ready for narration. If you're considering translating the script into another language, it's possible. However, I recommend creating the video in English. Doing so can attract viewers from countries like the US, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and Canada, where you may benefit from higher revenue per thousand views, RPM, a metric often lower in non-English videos. For the voiceover, you can utilize AI technology. For example, I've used 11 Labs to generate a voice similar to Brian's voice, which is deep and suits this type of narrative video well. Having completed the voiceover, let's move on to creating videos for our script using a site named Hyper AI, the link to which you can find in the video description. This platform will allow us to produce exceptional videos for our story. The first step is to create an account on the site. Once logged in, look for the Create a Video with Text option. Clicking on this will open a prompt box as shown. At this point, we need to refer back to ChatGPT for our image prompts, which have been prepared for each scene. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box on Hyper AI. Next, you'll have the opportunity to select the style you prefer for your videos. You'll find a variety of options to experiment with, but since we're creating a video related to war, the old film style is the most appropriate choice for an authentic feel. Selecting this option will automatically insert an additional prompt as observed. Ensure you click on this style only once to avoid repetitive prompts. After selecting, click on Create. The video generation process might take a minute or two since the service is currently free, requiring a bit of patience. Once the video is produced, you'll notice its remarkable resemblance to an old-style war movie. If you opt for HD quality, the maximum duration offered is 2 seconds, but this can be extended through methods I'll discuss later in the video. For now, let's proceed to download the video we've generated. Next, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the platform, and generate the video by selecting your preferred style. Repeat this process for all the prompts you have, generating and downloading each video accordingly. To extend the duration of your video, the first method involves utilizing the pass feature. This means using the same prompt 2 to 3 times, which can produce varying videos even if you choose the same or different styles. This variability allows you to lengthen your video by combining these clips. Having generated and downloaded all the necessary video clips along with the previously downloaded voiceover, you're now well equipped to proceed with your project. To compile everything, we'll proceed to the final step using CapCut. First, import all the video clips and voiceover files into CapCut. Then place the voiceover file onto the timeline. If you need to adjust the volume of the voiceover, you can easily do so at this stage. I'll make the necessary adjustments now. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is standard for most viewing platforms. This ensures your video will display correctly across various devices. Next, align the video clips on the timeline to match the sequence of the voiceover, ensuring synchronization between audio and visuals. To extend the video's duration, another technique involves slowing down the playback speed of these clips. You can reduce their speed to 0.5x or adjust it to match the length of the voiceover lines. By decreasing the speed, videos will appear longer and their duration will effectively double, allowing for better synchronization with the voiceover. Adjust this speed as necessary to achieve this effect. I have now added all the video clips, adjusted their durations, and synced them with the voiceover accordingly. Here's a professional tip. If you find yourself needing additional video content to match your voiceover, simply take the relevant line from your script and paste it into Hyper AI. Hit the Create button, and once Hyper AI generates your video, import it and place it on your timeline. If your video includes clips with vibrant colors, but you're aiming for a historical feel, you can easily adjust this. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, select the videos needing adjustment, then navigate to the Adjustment tab. Lower the saturation to decrease the colors, matching the historical theme of your video. Regarding background music, I've pre-selected 2 tracks from the YouTube music library. The first track, Alpha Mission, will be added at the beginning and another towards the end. To incorporate the music, adjust its volume to -23 dB to ensure it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Trim parts of the music as needed for a smooth introduction. As the narrative reaches a pivotal moment or the topic shifts, I'll cut the music to align with these changes, applying a fade-out for a seamless transition. Add suspenseful or war-themed background music to enhance the video's atmosphere. Next, introduce the second background tracker, Warzone by Anno Domini Beats, for the remaining portion of this video. Adjust its volume, trim the end as needed, and apply fade-in and fade-out effects for a polished audio transition. To ensure subtitles are accurate and minimize errors, here's a professional tip. Temporarily disable the music and effects on your timeline. This will improve the clarity of your voiceover for the auto-caption feature, resulting in more precise subtitles. Remember to reactivate the music and effects after adding subtitles. To add captions, use CapCut's auto-caption feature for videos in English, which generates subtitles automatically. If your video is in Hindi or another language, auto-caption might not be available. After generating subtitles, you have the flexibility to customize their style, template, color, and size to suit your video perfectly. At this point, further editing isn't necessary. While you can add separate effects or animation transitions, the video already stands out on its own without the need for extra embellishments. The video is now fully complete and ready to be exported. I'll also provide a preview of the video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment or send a direct message on Instagram. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your support by liking the video. Your encouragement is greatly appreciated and motivates us to create more valuable content. For more informative tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to our journey back in time, to the era of courage, sacrifice, and the birth of a nation. Today, we dive into the American Revolutionary War, a tumultuous period between 1775 and 1783, where the seeds of independence were sown in the hearts of the American colonies against the mighty British Empire. Join us as we unravel the story of how a group of determined individuals changed the course of history. Our story begins in Boston, where a defiant act against British taxation sets the stage for rebellion. The Boston Tea Party, a protest against the Tea Act, saw American patriots disguised as Native Americans, boarding British ships and dumping tea into the harbor, a bold statement of defiance that echoed through the colonies. The spark of rebellion ignited into a blazing inferno at Lexington and Concord, where the first shots of the American Revolutionary War were fired. What began as a minor skirmish escalated into an all-out war for independence, pitting the inexperienced yet determined Continental Army against the formidable British forces. In the midst of conflict, a document emerged that would define the soul of a new nation, the Declaration of Independence. Crafted by visionaries like Thomas Jefferson, it proclaimed the colony's right to self-governance and liberty, challenging the very foundation of British rule. The Battle of Saratoga marked a turning point in the war. The American victory convinced France to enter the war on the side of the colonies, shifting the balance of power. It was a testament to the strategy, courage, and resilience of the Continental Army and its leaders. The Siege of Yorktown marked the culmination of the Revolutionary War. With French naval support, the Continental Army, led by General George Washington, trapped British General Cornwallis's forces, leading to their surrender. It was a decisive moment that signaled the end of British rule in America.
If you're interested in how to create Faceless health and fitness monetization channel, I tried YouTube automation. Click on the left. If you want to watch how to create kids' musical videos using AI, kids learning and educational, Faceless YouTube channel, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.